Hey, what's up? It's Carrie Mitchell with another beginner dance tutorial for you. And today we're going to be learning a combo to the song This Is Me from the movie The Greatest Showman. And this is the actual choreography from the movie, or pretty close to it. And I hope that you'll get up and try it with me. We're going to go really slow, we're going to use a lot of repetition, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So let's do it. All right, we're going to start with our feet apart and our head down. Our head's gonna pop up on the count of 7, or when they say, this is me. So we're here, and we hold 5, 6, head 7, hold 8. From there, you're gonna take your right arm, and we're just gonna go overhead, and you're gonna do like a little fist pump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. If you want, you can kind of do like your body around with it. It's nice and fast though, so just try that motion right here. So we're just fist pumping that arm. And it's 3 in a row, so it's 1 and 2. Ready, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. Ready, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. From there, you're gonna cross your feet right in front and hop to the corner. So it's gonna go like this. Cross down, and the arm comes down. So we did 1 and 2, cross open to the corner. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, cross open. You're gonna dip into your knees and do a body roll up. 3, 4. So you jump out on and 3, and then you start that body roll 4. You sit into your knees, and we push forward, 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 and we end with your shoulders and your head are the last thing to roll up. So again, you were here, you pop your head up on 7, hold, 8, punch. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, head 7, hold, 8, pump. 1 and 2, cross, open, and up. And when I do that, I'm just kind of putting my hands right here. From there, 3, 4, you're gonna run on your right foot. 5 and 6 and. So it's right, left, right, left. 4 runs. 5 and 6 and. You're going to do a little scuff move with your heel. It's going to come around like this. You're going to go 7, hop out on 8. So we were here. 3, 4, you run. Right, left, scuff, hop. Again. We're here. 3, 4, we run. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. As I'm running, I'm kind of kicking my heels up behind me. I'm going to keep my hands kind of right here, and I'm going to hinge at my hips. So I'm going to bend over a little as I run, and I'm going to go, we're here 3, 4, I'm going to run 5 and 6 and 7, and then you're straight up on 8. So one more time, we're here 3, 4, we run right, left, scoop, open. All right, let's do that whole 8 count from the top, so your head's down. It's gonna pop up on 7. We're here. 5, 6, head 7, hold 8, punch. 1 and 2, cross, open, up, run. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. From here, I'm just gonna take my right foot, and I'm gonna kind of slide it along the floor here. Up, we're gonna go right, left. Just try this motion, right, left. My hands are actually gonna stay here, so we're just doing this brush motion. If your shoe squeaks, that's okay. So we're actually gonna go right, left, and then you're gonna double on your right, and then left, right step. So again, it's right, left, double on the right, left, right step. Counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and. You really want to get that foot down on that and count. That's important. So for your upper body, if you want to, I'm just going to keep my hands here. I'm going to hinge a little at my hips, and then you can kind of add a little shoulder motion. And it's the same shoulder going forward as the foot that's picking up. So I would go right, left, then double it up. Left, right, and. We step, stand up real tall there. One more time. So we're here. We just did 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, and you're going to walk left, right, left, right, left, right. Again, so we're going to step 1, 2, and then as I step on that left foot, I'm going to turn and face the opposite wall, and then I'm going to go right, left, turn. So it's left, right, turn, right, left, turn. Again, left, right, turn, right, left, turn. If you want to do arms, we're just going to open them as we turn. Step, step, open. Step, step, open. Step, step, open. In the movie, they kind of do different arms, so it's up to whatever you want to do. But I'm just going to do a nice big presentation open. So we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's a tiny little pause. You'll hear it in the music. And then we're going to step 8 and 1, 2, and 3. I'm pretty sure those are the counts. So again, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, and left, right, left, right, left, right. Yeah, very nice. Okay, again from this little kick back step. 5, 6, 7, right foot goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and left, right, open, right, left, open, turn front. We just turn back to the front. It's like on the count of 4. From here, you're going to just do a little kick, step, present. Again, so it's just a little right and left and open. Again, we go right and left and open. It's kind of got a little bounce to it. Bounce, bounce, open. Again, if you want to do arms, they're going to throw back, and then they're going to go up, cross over your head, and then out. That's when it says, this is me again. So you can, if you want to go down here, if you want to go here, one arm, both arms, whatever, this is you. So you get to do whatever you want. Okay, so again, those arms, they swing back, then up, then out. Counts are 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. So putting that together all the way from this little kickback step, 5, 6, 7, right foot goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 5 and 6 and step, step, turn, step, step, turn to the front. This is 5, this is 6, this is 7. Nice. All right, let's go back to the top and put all that together. So you're here, 5, 6, head 7, hold 8, fist pump 1 and 2 and 3, 4, run 5 and 6, scoop 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and left, right, right. To the front we go kick, present. Okay, moving on. From here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just 4 walks. Right, left. In the movie, they're walking into each other, and then they do this little hop step out, and then they do it again, in and out. So if you're doing this with a group of people, this is when you'll actually kind of pulse into each other and then back out. If not, if you're just dancing by yourself in your living room, then this is your solo section. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're marching right, left. Your arms and your upper body are just kind of playing around, whatever you want to do. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do 2 little hops and then a kick across. So you're going to go hop, right across, hop, left across. Again, hop, right, hop, left. Again, hop, right, hop, left. So arms, if you want to, they're just going to go hop, hop, and then you just push them down. Hop, hop, push them down. Hop, hop, push. Hop, hop, push. Hop, hop, push. Hop, hop, push. Nice. So it's 4 freestyle walks. Hop, hop, right leg. Hop, hop, left leg. Here we go. When you do those 4 walks, you can walk around if you want, whatever you want to do. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 4 walks. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. We go hop, hop, kick. Then we do it again. 2, 3, 4. We go hop, hop, kick. Hop, hop, kick. So you do it 2 times in a row. Let's try it again. Ready? 5, 6. So we were here on 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. We freestyle. 2, 3, 4. We go hop, hop, right. Do it again. 4 walks. 2 hops. From there, you're going to do 2 poses. Any poses you want. So up, out, down. You can fist pump the air, whatever you want to do. You pose once on 1, 2. You pose the second time on 3, 4. Here we go, 2 poses. 5. So we did 5 and 6, 7, 2 poses. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do a little hop, right, left. So you're just going hop, 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 hop. Arms are kind of just loose. Hop, hop. You're going to step your right foot together, and arms are going to come out on 7. And then your right foot's going to touch out, and I'm going to drop it down on 8. So as you go here, 7, and then as I step out 8, make sure that you really hinge at your hips. Try to keep that back flat, and then you're just going to brush that right arm across. And if you want to go all the way down, you can. If not, you can kind of stay up here. Your call. So again, from the 2 poses, we pose 1, 2, pose 3, 4, 2 hops, right, left, 5, 6, step together, 7, brush down on 8. Again, really slow from those 2 jumps, right and left, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, 5, 6, you step together, 7, brush down on 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, 5, 6 together, 7, down, 8. 2 poses, 5, 6, 7, 8. You pose 1, 2, pose 3, 4, 2 jumps, step together and down. Yeah, very nice. All right, moving on. This next step, you're just marching. You're just going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Just kind of a groovy little march. Arms are gonna push down your body. So right, left, push, left, push, right, left, left. You want to add a little something to it. You can really fold it down there. 6, 7, fold it down. Right, down, left, down. We do it 4 times, or 2 8 counts. So right, left, left, left. Again, if you have a group, you can use this to move around the room, or you can just go around a circle if you want, or you can just do it in place. Either way, 2 8 counts from here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 6, 7, 8. Nice. All right, last 8 count. We just did 7, 8. Your right foot's free. You're going to do this little ball change step. You're just going to go right, left. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Just the feet. Right, left. Again, 5, 6, 7. Feet. Right, left. Arms, if you want to add them, they're just kind of going to throw down and cross in front of you. So it'll look like this. Right, throw. So they're just nice and loose. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, throw. One more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, throw. From here, We're gonna do a little, I believe in the movie they do a double turn, but we're just gonna do one nice little beginner-friendly single turn. So we're here 4, we're just gonna do a little prep and 5. You're gonna step back 6. You're gonna unwind all the way, 7, and then you're gonna hit your final pose on 8. Whatever you want it to be, up here, out there, reaching forward, it doesn't matter, as long as it's on 8. So again, we did and 1, 2, and 3, 4, right, left, touch, back, turn around, and pose. Nice. Again, from right, left, throw. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, left, right, left, touch back, turn around, and up. And that's the combo. All right, so let's take this second half of it all the way back from, we did, this is me, so we're gonna do 4 walks and the hop, hop across. Nice and slow, so we kind of can piece it all together. So we're here on 7, 5, 6, 7, 4 walks. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. We go hop, hop right, hop, hop left. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 hops. Now 2 poses, anything you want. 2, 3, 4, hop right, left, step down. From here we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, left, throw, right, left, step back, turn around, pose. All right, we're gonna go from the very top with counts nice and slow so we see how it all comes together with the transitions. You ready? So we start here, heads down, it's gonna pop up on 7. Ready? 5, 6, head 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, we run. 5 and 6, scoop. 7, 8, we brush. 1, 2, double. 3, 4, again. 5, 6, and left, right, turn, right, left, turn. To the front, we kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, we freestyle. 2, 3, double hop, go. Hop, hop, kick. Freestyle walk, 1, 2, 3, double hop, we go. From here, 2 poses, anything you want. Now we hop right, left, 5, 6 together, 7, down, 8, we walk. 1, 2, 3, release, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, one more time. 5, 6, 7 feet, go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, turn, and pose. All right, let's put it together a little faster, a little more up to tempo from the top, whole combo. Here we go. Heads down. It's gonna pop up on 7. Ready? 5, 6, head 7, hold 8, pump. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, run. 5 and 6 and 7, brush back. 1, 2, double. 4, 5, 6, and left, right, turn, right, left, turn. To the front we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We freestyle. 2, 3, double hop. Brush. Freestyle walk for 4. Double hop. Go. Here's 2 poses, whatever you want. Pose, double hop. 5, 6, 7, 8. We march. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And 5, back, 6, unwind, 7, 8. Yeah! Fantastic job! Thanks so much for joining me for another beginner dance tutorial. If you'd like to learn more dances like this in the future, please subscribe to this channel, and you can turn on the notifications so that you can get the most up-to-date content sent right to your inbox. Thanks again, guys. See you next time.